Stay ahead of the curve by maintaining your car's oil levels. You can do this without breaking a sweat. Here's how. First up, if you're using a dipstick, ensure the engine is off. You want the oil to settle for an accurate reading. Pull out the dipstick, wipe it clean, and then dip it back in. Pull it out again, and where the oil line hits will tell you the level. On the other hand, if your car has an oil level indicator on the computer system, the engine needs to be running. Wait a few minutes after starting the engine, then check the reading on the dashboard. Remember, maintaining the right oil level is the key to a healthy, happy car. So take a few minutes every week to check. It's a small task with big benefits. Now you're ready to take charge of your car's oil levels. Drive safe. Taking care of your car means using the right type of oil and knowing how to refill it. Let's dive in. Your car's service book, owner's manual, or oil cap will typically indicate the correct oil type for your vehicle. Once you have the correct oil, locate the oil filler cap on your engine. Carefully remove the cap, insert a clean funnel, and slowly begin to pour in the oil. It's crucial to avoid overfilling, so take your time. After filling, let the oil settle for a few minutes, then recheck the level using your dipstick or the car's computer system. If the oil level is still low, add more oil gradually, checking the level between each pour. You've now mastered the art of refilling your car's oil. Stay tuned for more car maintenance tips.